Hi guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Vaishali Sharma. I'm a medical student of second year. And प्लीज़ अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो एक सब्सक्राइब का बटन ज़रूर दबा के जाइएगा क्योंकि वो एक्चुअली फ्री है. So today in this video we're going to play anatomy quiz. Before the quiz I want to tell you one thing. अगर आपको इंग्लिश अच्छे से बोलनी नहीं आती है और एक आप स्कूल स्टूडेंट या कॉलेज स्टूडेंट है या फिर किसी भी प्रोफेशन में हैं और आपको इंग्लिश सीखनी है तो देयर इज एन ऐप कॉल्ड हेलो श्रा विच आप इंग्लिश 2 महीने के अंदर अंदर बहुत फ्लुएंटली और अच्छे से बोल सकते हैं. आपको उसमें 3 एक्सपर्ट्स मिलेंगे और नॉर्मल 1-to-1 कम्युनिकेशन से आप एक अच्छी सी इंग्लिश सीख सकते हैं. द बेस्ट थिंग इज कि आप इंग्लिश बोलना सिर्फ 2 महीने में सीख सकते हैं. एज हमारे कॉलेजेस स्कूल्स अभी बंद है तो आप 2 महीने के अंदर अंदर अब जब आप वापस स्कूल जाएंगे या कॉलेज जाएंगे आप फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बोल रहे होंगे. So for this app, the link is in the description to download and increase your English fluency and learn how to communicate in English. And remember एक disclaimer, मुझे जज मत करिएगा because मेरे को सेकेंड ईयर में 1.5 और 1.6 years हो चुके हैं. बस बेसिकली मेरा दिसंबर में सेकेंड ईयर खत्म हो जाना चाहिए बट ड्यू टू कोविड हमारा अभी तक सेकेंड ईयर प्रोबेबली अप्रैल में खत्म होगा. तो हमें सेकेंड ईयर में 2 साल हो जाएंगे एंड फर्स्ट ईयर में अनाटमी होता है and it's been ages that I read anatomy. So we're going to play quiz but do not judge कि अगर कोई question गलत होता है. And disclaimer के हिसाब से another thing is कि ये टेस्ट मैंने कभी नहीं दिया है. It's just that in front of the video I'm doing this or I'm giving this test first time. So do not judge कि ये दीदी ने पहले ही दे दिया होगा एंड अभी नाटक कर रही है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ये वीडियो ये अनाटमी का क्विज मैं फर्स्ट टाइम ही दे रही हूँ और कोई इसका रिविजन नहीं किया है. तो अभी सेकेंड ईयर का पढ़ूँ या फर्स्ट ईयर का. वी गोना टेक अ जनरल एनाटमी क्विज. ऑल एनाटमी लेते हैं. एक सेकेंड. ऑल एनाटमी नॉलेज वाला लेंगे क्योंकि कॉम्प्रहेंशन वाला टाइम लगेगा. शॉर्ट क्विज लेंगे, ज़्यादा बड़े वीडियो भी नहीं बनानी और इतना बेइज्जती ना हो जाए. आई एम वरीड अबाउट इट कि ये दीदी तो बोलती है ऐसे ऐसे और लाइक आई एम वरीड अबाउट इट. इतनी तो मुझे अपनी एग्जाम्स की टेंशन नहीं होती जितनी वीडियो बनाते हुए क्विज देते हुए. ओके, आइडेंटिफाई द फोटो. ओके, आइडेंटिफाई. Phalanges. This is the first distal phalanx, I guess. Yeah, man, it is the first distal phalanx, if I'm correct. Metatarsal, right? But it's the phalanx. It's the first distal phalanx. I'm going for first distal phalanx. Let's see. Yes, correct. I'm happy. Okay, let's go for the next. Where is the highly oxygenated blood found in the heart? It's in the A. Okay, in the left side, I guess. Highly oxygenated blood. It's in the left side. Okay, yes, correct. It's in the left side of the heart, left atrium and the left ventricle. In the right side, it is deoxygenated blood. In the right atrium and the right ventricle, it's a deoxygenated blood, which later goes. It is taken from the organs. Deoxygenated blood is taken from the organ and it is taken to the lung where it is get oxygenated and enters the left heart. उसमें that is why it has oxygenated blood because वो lung से आ रहा है. Okay, let's go to the next. Which of the following structures is attached to the head of the fibula? Which of the following structure is attached to the head of the fibula? Head of the fibula. It is in the common tendon of biceps femoris, semitendinosus, medial collateral ligament, sartorius muscle, quadriceps tendons. Basically fibula is a muscle of leg. Okay, lower leg. So common tendon biceps femoris, head of the fibula, semitendinosus, bilateral. I don't remember. I guess इसका मुझे याद नहीं है because muscle के attachment nobody remembers. I'll just I'll go for common tendon of biceps femoris. पता नहीं क्यों मुझे एक instinct सा आ रहा है. Oh yes, correct. अरे यार कभी because you have read ना, तो एक इंस्टिंक्ट आता है ना, कभी कभी यू रिमेम्बर, अगर आपने नीट दिया होगा तो मुझे लगता है ये आंसर सही है, और वो आंसर सही भी निकलता है, वही हुआ मेरे साथ। आई एम रियली हैप्पी फॉर इट। ओके, हेड ऑफ द फेमोरस करेक्ट यार मैन, सार्टोरियस, सेमीटेंडिनल, बाइसेप फेमोरस, ये सब चीजें ग्रेट। यस, आइडेंटिफाई द बोन, व्हिच बोन? Identify the B bone. Okay, B bone. Let me see the bigger version of this photo. This is probably A is calcaneum, so B is probably navicular, I guess. This is not cuboid. This is navicular, I guess. I'm going for navicular. I'm sorry, I don't remember this. Oh, it's galactic. It's talus, okay. It's talus, okay. Sorry. डर लग रहा है मेरे को, अब मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है, गलत क्यों हो गया? It's basically talus, not navicular. Okay. Identify the bond D. Yeah, why are then? Okay. This is this part, okay. Okay. Wait, man. I have to wait. I have to just see her. Man, okay, इसका mnemonic होता है she looks too pretty, try to catch her. हमें D वाला लिखना है. She looks too pretty, try to. She looks too pretty, try to catch her. Okay, she looks too pretty. She looks too pretty. Try to catch her. Try to catch her. Is she? It's. I am getting worried about it. Wait यार, एक सेकंड, गुस्सा मत कर. She looks too pretty. She looks too pretty. Try to catch her. Try to. It is trapezium. माँ पहले आती है, इसमें ये था trapezium या trapezoid. It's trapezoid, I guess. She looks too pretty. Try. She looks. Okay, it's she looks. Okay, she looks. She looks. It should be lunate. Okay, it's lunate. Yes, it's lunate. Thank God. डर लगता है यार. It's she looks too pretty. Try to catch her. This is the mnemonic. Okay. Periosteum, loose connective tissue. Aponeurosis, connective tissue. Dense and skin are all type of. Okay. Cervical fascia, scalp are layers of. Sorry, not types of. Are layers of cervical fascia, scalp, upper lid, tragus of beard, and eyeball. This is scalp, I guess. I'm 100%. I'm sure about it. The protrusion of this bone is called. Okay, protrusion. This bone is called anterior superior iliac spine, anterior inferior iliac spine, posterior iliac spine, and anterior superior ischial spine. I guess it's anterior superior iliac spine. So basically, if we see the photo, it depending upon it, it's in the inferior side. So I feel like It is basically, if I'm not wrong, it is anterior inferior iliac spine, which is opposite to the anterior superior iliac spine. I am correct. So AIS is the smaller bone protrusion which can be felt deep palpitation just inferior to the anterior superior iliac spine. Okay. Chalo. Identify this structure. Okay, which structure? Okay. So it's probably it is the superior version that has been showing. I hope you're able to understand. I'm not able to understand what it is. I know it is hard, but ऐसे कैसे समझेंगे यार? Organ में देख के समझ नहीं आता है. I guess it's thoracic duct. It's not nerve. Simple. This is just arteries. Thoracic duct हो सकती है ये. Esophagus. Oh my God, is it? Wait. Oh my God, it's rib. Okay. It's not vagus nerve. Thoracic duct, esophagus. Esophagus हो सकता है. It's esophagus, I guess. Yes. Why I chose esophagus? Because of the photo. If you see इस photo में, there is a opening that is windpipe वाला opening, air opening. So basically, if you say esophagus ही इतनी मोटी होती है, and I could see the ribs नीचे. So that is why I chose esophagus, not other ducts and nerves. क्यों नहीं choose करा? Because nerve पतली होती है, इतनी मोटी नहीं होती है. And thoracic duct heart में होती है, and I couldn't see the heart. And इसमें लिखा है superior. Superior में और heart में ऐसी कोई opening, proper opening नहीं दिखेगी. So that is why I didn't say IVC or aorta and all. So that is why I chose esophagus. Identify. What is Q? Gastroduodenal, left gastromental, right gastromental, left gastric. Okay. I have to see the photo. As you can see the gallbladder, liver. So basically ये वहाँ से आ रही है ना? Pancreas भी है. Okay, I can see everything. So let's see. I would say it's left gastric. I would say it's gastroduodenal. Yes, it's gastroduodenal. I will go for gastroduodenal. I guess it's gastroduodenal if I'm not wrong. I am still in a doubt. I'm doubt between gastroduodenal and left gastric. I'll go for left gastric. Just go for it. No, I'll go for gastroduodenal. I'll go for gastroduodenal. Why I went for gastroduodenal was because coming from the pancreas, it's coming from the liver, it's coming from the gallbladder and going down. So basically that is why I chose gastroduodenal. Okay, which of the following characteristic of tibulus posterior muscle? Tibulus posterior muscle. Okay, flexor and inverter of the foot. Flexor and inverter of the foot. Everter or inverter में फर्क होता है. Inverted of deep fibular nerve. Inverted of the deep superficial fibular nerve. Inverted by medial sural nerve. एक सेकेंड. I can because हमने भी movement से याद रखा था. एक सेकेंड. I'll do movement. Sorry, I मेरे पैर लग गया. I'm really sorry. I will say for I'll go for inverted. I'll go for B. Yes. And why I say that because मैंने movement करके देखा है. और पैर की ऐसे करोगे ना तो you will do. जब आप anatomy पढ़ रहे होगे, you know कि movement से anatomy you remember more. Practically you remember anatomy more rather than the theory perspective. I'm happy, yeah. I'm happy. Okay. See your results. Okay, my result. Where is my result? So basically if I say कि मेरा वो second वाला question है जो भी था एक गलत हुआ out of 10, I'm kind of happy कि चलो थोड़ा बहुत तो याद ही है. So I'm happy यार, I'm happy. I'm happy तो ये बेइज्जती नहीं हुई and I'm pretty sure and I'm gonna tell you this fact is कि मैंने anatomy नहीं पढ़ी है for this test and ये test मैंने कभी नहीं दिया. Remember this. So I hope you like this video. ऐसी videos अगर आपको और देखनी तो please like, subscribe and comment on my channel because whenever you do so I feel motivated because you are my family.